Future Focus is here to help you re-energise your business, to stimulate innovation, to get you to explore new ideas. Working in partnership with the University of Exeter, we can help you to develop new products and services, to imagine new business processes and putting new systems in place. You may need to reinvigorate your brand or redevelop the culture of your business as you grow and develop. We have a passionate and experienced team of academics, researchers, business people who can help you explore those new models, that new future that your business could be facing. You engage with us through our growth and innovation planning days, and that's where we map out the steps ahead. We start to imagine what the future could hold. We start to create that plan. We'll expose you to new brands, new trends, new ways of thinking through our series of labs. We'll get you talking to other businesses to experience some of their successes and see how that could apply to your own business. Future Focus is a very powerful programme. It takes you out of the day-to-day. It enables you to rethink that future and look ahead. Come and join us today and get involved.